Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your sales happen offline, like calls, CRM deals, or in-store purchases, importing offline conversions is critical. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import offline conversions in Google Ads 2026. Now before we start, if you haven't set up your Google Ads account, you can do that by going to business.google.com, and after that you're going to click on the Start Now button. Once you click on the Start Now button, you're going to be redirected to a new page where you're going to enter your business name and your business website. Make sure to enter a valid website in order to proceed and create your campaigns and publish your ads. Now let's go back to our topic. Now, the first thing you want to do is to create an offline conversion action. You're going to go to the tools and settings. And after that, you're going to click on conversions. You're going to go to the performance planner. Then you're going to go to the measurements section and click on conversions. Now, after that, you're going to click on new conversion actions. After you find it here, you're going to click on new conversion action. Click on this button right here, and then you're going to choose import. Now, after that, you're going to click on this option to import, and you're going to select other data sources or CRM. You can choose other data sources or CRMs, and you're going to choose track conversions from clicks or either track conversions from calls. Now, after that, you're going to set conversion details. You can name the conversion, you can choose the value and count the method, and save the conversion action. Once you do that, you're going to click on continue. You're going to name it here, and you're going to set the value and the count. After that, you're going to prepare your conversion file. Your file must include your Google Click ID, your conversion name, conversion time, and conversion value. Also, you're going to upload the conversions. Once you finish, you're going to continue here, and then you're going to go to conversions and click on uploads. And then you're going to upload a CSV or Google Sheets file, then confirm and proceed and process. After that, make sure to upload conversions regularly and match time zones correctly after you use the CRM automation if possible. And that's it. That's how you import offline conversions in Google Ads 2026 and connect ads to the real revenue. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.